Hello, my name is Anji Golledge. I'm the subject lead for health and social care. We run an HNC and an HND course 2 days a week. Morning is lovely long lectures, afternoon is workshop and support sessions. We expect the students to be working within a healthcare setting with adults, and we expect them to do a minimum of 12 hours work experience or work each week. The qualification will then allow them to move on to a level 6, which is a BSc top-up degree in healthcare practice management, which is validated by the University of Brighton. In year one, students start to look at aspects of the legal side of running a care setting. They would explore how to improve quality. They'd look at record keeping and reporting, as well as anatomy and physiology, and starting to create a professional development portfolio, which they'll build on in year two. But then we move into more structured management modules. So we'll be looking at staff employment, psychology of teams, management as a skill. And then in year three, the expectation on the BSc top-up is that they are now working towards or working as a manager. And so the studies in the third year are more focused on their individual settings, so that the students will undertake a research project which allows them to make changes to their setting, as well as continuing with their professional development over the year.
The most thing I enjoy about the course is actually building my confidence, my strengths, and recognising my weaknesses as the time is going by throughout the year, and then demonstrating how I've overcome the weaknesses and be able to be more productive with my work.
Students can move from the HNC, HND and or the BSc into a variety of different professions. Some of our students have moved on to do psychology or social work top-ups. Some have gone to look at careers with CQC or the local authority, and many of them have moved into more formalised management jobs within care settings.
Currently, I would love to go into teaching in health and social care. That's very personal to me. I've worked in health and social care all my life, so I've seen lots of wide varieties of different care sectors, and I feel that I'm ready to take the next step and be able to give my experience, my wealth of knowledge to others that may need the support.
Why should you join us at Hastings? The class sizes are small. There's a lot of individual attention, and we really do get to know our students very, very well and can support them in whichever direction their career pathway is going to take them.